Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and realizing you just made money while sleeping. No, it's not a scam. It's not one of those buy this course to get rich schemes either. It's called passive income. And in 2026, it's more real and more achievable than ever before.
But here's the problem. Most people think passive income means doing nothing and suddenly becoming rich. That's not how it works. The truth is, you put in the work once and get paid again and again, even when you're not actively working.
In this video, I'm going to show you 5 passive income ideas that actually work in 2026. Ideas that are realistic, ideas that are beginner-friendly, and most importantly, ideas that you can start with little to no money.
You don't need to be a finance expert. You don't need thousands of dollars. You just need the right information and the willingness to take action. So if you're tired of trading hours for dollars or just want to build an extra income stream on the side, stick around because one of these 5 might just change your financial life forever.
Let's start simple, with something almost too simple to be true, a high-yield savings account. Now hold on, I know it doesn't sound exciting, but here's the thing. Your normal savings account, it's probably paying you 0.01% interest, which is basically nothing. That means even with $1,000 saved, you might earn just 10 cents a year, not even enough to buy a gumball. Meanwhile, high-yield savings accounts in 2026 are offering 4 to 5% APY, completely risk-free. That's 400 to 500 times more than traditional banks. And yes, that number is real. Here's how it works. You open an account with an online bank like SoFi, Ally, or Marcus by Goldman Sachs. These banks have no physical branches, so they give you higher returns. You link it to your main checking account. Then set up automated weekly transfers. Even just $20 a week adds up without effort. Let's break it down. $20 a week becomes $1,040 in 1 year. At 5% interest, that's $52 of passive income without lifting a finger. Now compound that over 3 to 5 years, and you're earning while doing literally nothing extra. And the best part? It's completely liquid. You can withdraw your money anytime. No lock-ins, no fees, no drama. It's not investing. It's not gambling. It's just a smarter place to park your cash. No apps to master, no graphs to track. Just you, your money, and a better system. So if you've ever thought, I want passive income, but I don't know where to begin, start right here. Because even if it feels small, this is how wealth begins.
You've probably seen this passive income idea all over TikTok and YouTube Shorts. But here's the twist. Most people are doing it wrong. Let's talk about affiliate marketing the right way. It works like this. You recommend a product or service that you actually use, like a book, a camera, a course, or even an app. You sign up for their affiliate program, which gives you a custom link. Then you post content about that product, and every time someone clicks your link and buys, you earn a commission.
But here's where most people mess up. They try to sell hard. They sound like ads, and people hate that. Instead, here's what works in 2026. Micro content with value. Short videos where you show how the product helps you in real life. You might say, here's the planner that saved my productivity, or this is the exact budget app I use every morning. You're not pushing a sale. You're just sharing what works for you. It's honest, it's useful, and it's relatable.
Then, in your caption or pinned comment, drop your affiliate link. Simple, helpful, no pressure. And that's exactly why it works. Let's take an example. You buy a $12 book that changed your mindset. You make a 30-second video sharing one powerful lesson from it. You link the book using Amazon affiliates. Every time someone buys it, you earn a small commission. Now imagine doing this just 3-4 times a week. You create a mini content library. Your short videos keep getting views, even while you sleep. And the links keep earning on autopilot.
This is where it becomes passive. And don't worry if you're not an influencer. You don't need thousands of followers to start. You just need helpful content plus the right keywords. Use platforms like Amazon Affiliates, Impact, or ShareASale to find products, and tools like Linktree or Beacons to organize your links. Remember, you're not selling, you're helping. And the more you help, the more you earn, even when you're not online. This next one is powerful because you only have to do it once and it keeps making money over and over. Let's talk about digital products. Think things like eBooks, Notion templates, budget planners, printable journals, resume kits, study guides. You create them once and people can download them 1,000 times. The best part? There's no inventory, no shipping, and no packaging costs. It's just a file delivered instantly. And don't worry, you don't need to be a designer or a writer to do this. Let me show you how simple it is. You create a Notion template that helps students organize their assignments, or a printable planner that helps someone build better habits, even a one-page cheat sheet that helps job seekers write better cover letters. You can design these using Canva, Notion, Google Docs, or even Excel. Then upload them to platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Payhip. Set your price. $3, $5, or even $10. And boom, it's ready. Now, whenever someone searches for a habit tracker or resume template, they find yours. They buy and you earn automatically. You don't need ads. You don't need a website. You just need a product that solves a small problem and a platform that helps people find it.
Some sellers earn hundreds, even thousands from one product they made in a weekend. And once it's live, you don't have to touch it again. That's what makes it passive. Want to go one step further? Bundle your products into mini collections, like a student productivity kit or job hunt toolkit. Or add bonus pages to increase value, like habit tracking sheets or printable calendars. More value equals higher price.
So if you've ever made a Google Sheet to track your goals or designed a planner to stay focused, you already have what it takes. It's not about being a genius. It's about solving a small problem in a simple, repeatable way. Create once, earn forever. That's the power of digital products.
Now this one is for the creators, but not just artists or designers. Even if you've never drawn a thing in your life, you can still do this. Let's talk about print on demand. It works like this. You upload a design, a quote, an illustration, even a simple word in a cool font. That design goes on a product, like a t-shirt, a mug, a notebook, or a phone case. And when someone orders it, the company prints it, ships it, and handles everything. You never touch inventory. You never deal with shipping. You just earn. Platforms like Printful, Teespring, and Redbubble make this incredibly easy. They connect with Etsy, Shopify, and other stores, so your designs can reach people all over the world. Now, you might be thinking, but I'm not a designer. You don't have to be.
Some of the top-selling print-on-demand products in 2026 are just text-based designs. Quotes like, mentally at the beach, I run on coffee and ambition. Or even niche ones like, homeschool mom mode on. You can make these in Canva in just a few minutes. Pick a niche like pet lovers, gym goers, teachers, or travelers. Create simple designs that resonate. Upload them, set your price, and that's it.
Here's the best part. Once your product is live, it's completely passive. You could be sleeping and still make a sale. You could be out with friends and your shop is still working for you. Want to increase your chances? Create multiple designs. Try different niches. Test quotes, styles, and products.
Every design is a tiny digital worker, earning for you 24/7. And just like that, you're not trading time for money. You're building something once and letting it grow while you do other things. That's the power of print on demand, and it's one of the simplest passive income models you can start today, even if you're a complete beginner.
All the tools, platforms, and resources I mentioned, you'll find every single link down below in the description, organized and ready to help you get started. Start small, stay consistent, and your passive income journey can begin today. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more real, beginner-friendly ways to grow your income in 2026 and beyond. I'm Ryan, and I'll see you in the next one.